Well, currently, they're cleaning the walls of our burette with sodium hydroxide. So they pour it in there, and then they twirl it to allow it to coat the walls sufficiently, and then they pour it out. They let some of it come out so we can clean the stopper. And it's clean. Okay, so first we have to calibrate the pH meter. So we boil it around some distilled water. And then we put it in pH buffer 7. And we can see that the voltage isn't changing much. It's relatively consistent at 1.71, so we can put the calibration. We know this value to be 7, and we rinse it with water again.
Distilled water.
Distilled water, yeah. And this time we put it in buffer with pH level 4. Voltage stopped at 2.50. So we know this is 4. That. Okay. So now our probe is calibrated. Currently we're adding 50 mLs of NaOH to the burette. Okay, so the meniscus is at 50.
Boss.
So now we're adding 3 milliliters of NaOH to the acetic acid solution. Okay, so in order to visually determine when the titration endpoint has been reached, we're adding 2 drops of phenolphthalein to our acetic acid solution. Okay, it should turn a pink color when the endpoint has been reached. Alrighty, so now we're gonna add 3 more milliliters. 2 more milliliters, I apologize. So our total volume is gonna go to 5 milliliters of NaOH added. Okay, and now we're gonna swirl it and test the pH. And test the pH with our prober. 3.66. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 more milliliters to bring the grand total up to 7.
Good. The pH has increased.
Okay, now we're gonna add 2 more milliliters, and it's gonna... Okay, I don't know if you guys saw it, but there was a slight flash of pink, so we know we're getting close to the equivalence point. So let's check the pH. So now, because we're getting closer to our endpoint, we are going to start adding smaller values. Okay, as you can see, the pink color is becoming more evident. Okay, move your hand, Arun. Alright, 4.79. And we're approaching the endpoint now. Okay.